House marketing quick tips. Here we go. We're going to do this in 2 stages. The first stage is getting ready to go on the market, and the second stage is going to be when you're on the market. So before you go on the market, first thing we're going to do is we are going to clean your house and declutter it. Take your personality out of the house. If you want this to be a blank canvas for the next people's memories. 2, we're going to pressure wash your house and driveway. We're going to cut your grass. We're going to rake if you need to. You're going to trim your shrubs back. They're probably too big because you haven't maintained them properly. So trim them back. You want your house to be seen, not your shrubs and your trees, etc. 3, most important, you're going to get professional pictures done. Your real estate agent should do this. 4, we're going to have a pre-inspection report. We're going to get an inspection by a home inspector, and we're going to have that report on the counter of the house when people come to see it. So this is going to get 2 ways. 1, it's going to make people feel better about making an offer because they don't think there's going to be a huge and horrible inspection report. And 2, it's going to get you saved from the worst danger we have right now in the market is canceled contracts. So this is like $300 to $500 I think is really going to pay off. All right, now we're going live. We're in stage 2. We're going to write a good description on the house that describes the benefits that the owner is going to have. Not the criteria that they put into their search. So don't put 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Cherokee County School District. Put in this gorgeous estate is going to be your home sweet home, something like that. You want to go with that point of view. Your agent should be doing that and this next one. Next, you're going to organize these pictures so that they tell a story. You come home, it's nice and relaxing. You have a nice living room. You go to the beautiful deck. The kitchen is great and clean. You go to your master suite, etc. Okay? Don't just have a Google Street View and this is a broken ceiling fan. For some reason, people love to do that. And we want to have tangible things at the house. You want these to be their first memories. I mean, you can make it water, you can make it pencils, pad of paper, whatever. Something that they can remember getting off the counter as their first memories in the house, which is where your inspection report is going to be, right? So they can pick that up, bring that home with them. You're going to bring them something tangible. In the days of smartphones now, we don't even bring the printouts of the houses, etc. So if you bring those things, you're really going to stand out. And the number 1 rule of real estate marketing: if you are well marketed, for example in MLS with a good description and pictures, and you are not getting showings, you are overpriced. So you need to reduce your price or revise your marketing description and rearrange how those pictures, what story they are telling. Because your whole objective of all the listing is to get people into the house. Because if they don't get into the house, they are not going to buy their house probably. Or they're not going to make you a good offer at least. We try to stay focused on maximizing the value you're going to get for your house. So for all your fellow viewers' sakes, please leave any additional tips you might have below, or if anything, you have any questions, etc. Put them in there. I might have missed something, that is for sure. If you learned something, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Alan. This is Investing in Georgia. Thank you very much.